we have a delightful, mouth-watering parsley soup.
Give me 1 minute, I'll show you how. Tablespoon of olive oil into a pan, tablespoon of butter on a medium heat. Throw in 2 onions that have been thinly sliced. After they're soft, some garlic, about 2 cloves of garlic minced up. Then you're going to slice up your potatoes. Make sure you peel them, obviously. 2 large potatoes have gone in there, about 700 grams. 6 cups of vegetable stock. I'm using my Gaults Vegetable Stock Concentrate. You can grab it from the supermarket. You just mix it with hot water. You cook the potatoes until they're soft in the vegetable stock. Nip next door, steal some parsley from your neighbour's garden, give it a wash, and then in it goes. And you cook that until it's just cooked. It'll take about 2 minutes bubbling away into a blender. Be careful it's hot. Blend it up until it's silky smooth like that. Now what we're going to do is bring it back to the heat, and we're going to add some cream in, 150 mils of cream. Now's the time you taste it and season it with salt and pepper, white pepper or black pepper, whatever you like. I suggest you pour it into a jug so you can pour it easily into some bowls. Look at the colour of that. And if you want to flash it up, that's just a little bit of semi-whipped cream that I just whipped up. And I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of white truffle oil because I'm showing off.
There you have it, folks. A beautiful, decadent soup finished with a little truffle oil. And you've got all those antioxidants in that parsley that are going inside you. So it doesn't only look good, taste good, it's good for you. See you next time.